Ever glued your dreams onto a poster board only to find them gathering dust months later? You're not alone. While vision boards are touted as powerful manifestation tools, many find them falling short of their promise. This begs the question, why isn't your vision board working? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets to making your vision board a catalyst for real-world results. The allure of vision boards lies in their visual representation of our aspirations. A collage of images, affirmations, and quotes creates a tangible reminder of what we desire. However, the act of creating a vision board alone isn't enough to manifest our dreams. It's like having a beautifully designed map, but never starting the journey. The missing link often lies in the gap between visualization and action. Simply staring at a vision board won't magically transform our lives. Think of your vision board as a compass, guiding you towards your desired destination, but you still need to walk the path. Propelling you forward towards your goals, but you still need to jump. While vision boards can be inspiring, they often fall short of their promise if not approached strategically. One common pitfall is a lack of clarity. A vision board cluttered with vague images and aspirations lacks the focus needed to drive meaningful action. It's like having a map with no clear destination marked. Another common mistake is setting unrealistic goals. While it's important to dream big, setting goals that are completely out of reach can lead to discouragement and ultimately sabotage our efforts. Furthermore, simply creating a vision board and then forgetting about it is a recipe for inaction. A vision board is not a magic lamp. It requires consistent engagement. Regularly reviewing your vision board and reflecting on your progress is crucial for maintaining momentum. The key to a successful vision board lies in its ability to inspire action. It's not enough to simply visualize our dreams. We need to break them down into smaller, achievable steps. This transforms our vision from a static image into a dynamic plan. Think of your vision board as a blueprint for your future, guiding your actions and keeping you on track towards your goals. Remember, it's the journey, not just the destination, that counts. The effectiveness of vision boards is rooted in the psychology of visualization and goal setting. Visualization, the act of creating mental images of our desired outcomes, has been shown to enhance motivation and performance. By vividly imagining ourselves achieving our goals, we prime our minds for success. Goal setting provides a framework for directing our efforts. Clearly defined goals give us a sense of purpose and direction, helping us prioritize our actions and stay focused. Without clear goals, we risk wandering aimlessly, never reaching our full potential. However, visualization and goal setting are most effective when combined with action. Simply visualizing our goals without taking concrete steps towards achieving them can lead to a sense of false accomplishment. The human brain has a remarkable ability to adapt and change. By consistently visualizing our goals and taking action towards achieving them, we create new neural pathways that reinforce our desired behaviors. This process, known as neuroplasticity, allows us to reshape our brains and create lasting change. It's like carving a new path through a forest, making it easier to travel that route in the future. Section 5. Bridging the gap. Actionable steps. The crucial element often missing from the vision board equation is action. While visualizing our dreams is important, it's the concrete steps we take that bring them to fruition. A vision board without action is like a car without fuel. It looks impressive, but won't go anywhere. The key is to translate the images and affirmations on your board into actionable steps. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. If your vision board includes a picture of your dream home, break down the goal into actionable steps. research neighborhoods, consult with a mortgage broker, save for a down payment. Each small step brings you closer to your ultimate goal, creating a sense of progress and momentum. Create a timeline for achieving each milestone. This provides a sense of structure and accountability, helping you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Regularly review your vision board and adjust your action plan as needed. Life is dynamic, and our goals may evolve over time. Think of your vision board as a living document, evolving alongside your journey. Section 6. Mindset Alignment, the missing piece. A powerful vision board is only as effective as the mindset that supports it. A negative or limiting mindset can sabotage even the most well-intentioned goals. If you believe you're not worthy of achieving your dreams, you'll subconsciously self-sabotage your efforts. Cultivate a positive and empowering mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Affirmations, positive self-talk, and gratitude practices can help shift your mindset from one of scarcity and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. Surround yourself with positive influences and limit exposure to negativity. Address limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts and assumptions that restrict our potential. Identify these beliefs and challenge their validity. Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your goals. Visualize yourself already achieving your goals. Imagine the feelings of joy, accomplishment, and pride. Your mindset is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Section 7. Reimagining your vision board. Now that we've explored the key elements of effective vision boarding, let's reimagine how to create a vision board that truly works. Start with clarity. Define your goals with precision. Instead of vague aspirations, use specific and measurable objectives. Instead of travel more, specify visit Italy in the spring. This clarity focuses your energy and provides a clear target for your actions. Choose images that evoke strong emotions. The more emotionally connected you are to your vision, the more motivated you'll be to achieve it. Select images that resonate with your deepest desires and ignite a sense of excitement and anticipation. Incorporate affirmations that reinforce your beliefs in your ability to achieve your goals. Place your vision board in a visible location where you'll see it daily. Regularly review your vision board and reflect on your progress. This reinforces your commitment and helps you stay focused on your journey. Section 8. Beyond the board, cultivating a success mindset. A vision board is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Cultivating a success mindset is essential for achieving your goals. Embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take risks. The greatest rewards often lie beyond the realm of familiarity. Practice gratitude. Appreciate the good things in your life, both big and small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a sense of abundance and positivity. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your potential. A positive support system can provide encouragement, motivation, and accountability. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small. Section 9. Your vision, your journey. Your vision board is a roadmap to your dreams, but it's your actions and mindset that determine your destination. Embrace the power of visualization, set clear goals, take consistent action, and cultivate a positive mindset. Your vision board is not a magic wand, but a tool to help you manifest your dreams through intentional effort and unwavering belief in yourself. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of pursuing your goals. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and learn from the setbacks. The journey of personal growth is a continuous process of evolution and self-discovery. Now it's your turn. Take what you've learned and create a vision board that truly works for you. Your vision, your journey, make it extraordinary.